Hello, today we are going to demonstrate how to install the CodeGlide application suite. We double click on the installer file, we click Next, we agree to the license terms, we select the path where the product will be installed, we enter the port where the web server will listen. Let's leave 8080 and click Install. Now let's click Finish. The web server will now start. Now let's open a web browser to continue with the installation. Let's point the browser to the IP address or host name where we installed the CodeGlide application server. Now we have to select which products we want to install. We have Fusion, which is an enterprise mashup server and data integration platform, Snap CRM, which is a customer relationship management solution, Rendezvous, which is a groupware suite. We are going to select the enterprise suite, which includes all these three products. Now we are going to select the database we want. We have embedded database or an SQL database. On this demo we are going to use an SQL database. As you can see, we have many database options. Let's leave the default connection string and change the username and password. Now let's click Install. The login window will be displayed once the installation is complete. Let's log in using admin and password 123. It is recommended that you change this default password after completing the installation. And we're done. We've successfully installed the application in less than 2 minutes. Thank you for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed the demo.